In the corners of my mind, I just can't seem to find a reason to believe that I can break free. Cause you see, I have been down for so long, feel like all hope is gone. But as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my circumstance. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I wanna praise you. Wanna praise you. Wanna praise you. Wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Everything that could go wrong, all went wrong at one time. So much pressure fell on me. I thought I was gonna lose my mind. Lord, I know you wanna see if I will hold up through these trials. And I need you to lift this up, cause I can't take it no more. Shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. So I can dance. Just wanna praise you. Wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. Oh yeah. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Through the fire and the rain, I'll get everything away. But God has broken every chain, so let me go right now. So I can dance now. I wanna praise you.
Let's learn I Want to Praise You. It's choreographed by Rebecca Lee and Daniel Trepat. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Want to Praise You. Section 1. Your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a V-step. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Step your right foot back center, left foot next to right. We're now going to do a rocking chair. We're going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward on your left. The optional arms for that section is to have your arms out like you're dancing with somebody. So about head height, right? And as you rock, you're just going to put your arms up, arms down, and when you do the next section, you will drop your arms. So let's try that with some counts. You're doing your V-step. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. We're going to do continuous jazz boxes. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot back. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot back, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left and recover onto your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do hip sways. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to sway your hips right, left, and you're going to end with your weight on your left foot. As you're doing those hip sways, if you would like to do the arm motion, when you step your right foot to the side, your hands are going to start coming out, and as you do your sways, your arms are going to slowly raise up to the side and up towards the top of your head. So palms facing out, just coming all the way up to the top. Let's try that with some counts. Stepping our right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. we're going to do 2 cross points. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly across our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly across your right. Point your right toe to the side. We're now going to step forward with our right. We're going to do a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight on our left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock and do 2 walks forward, right, left. End of dance. So let's try that with some counts. 2 cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Starting with your V step. We're doing our V step out, out, in, right rocking chair with arms. Cross, back, back, cross, back, quarter, cross, rock, recover, side touch, hip sways with arms. Cross point, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do our counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your V step, out, out, in, right, rocking chair with arms. Cross, back, cross, back, cross, back, quarter, cross, rock, recover, step, right, touch, left, touch, right, sway, right, left, step, point, step, half pivot, walk, walk, V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step, rocking chair with arms. Cross it over, cross right, back right, cross over, back, quarter, cross rock, recover, step right, touch left, touch right, sway with arms. Cross point. Step, half pivot, 2 walks. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn I Want to Praise You. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.